and cryptos right here. So I'll be using this video to show you how to take partial profits on MetaTrader5. Okay, so we are currently in a trade, and as you can see, it's in profit. Okay, so in order to take partial profits, all I have to do is to go to the trade right here, then I press and hold the trade. This menu option is going to come up, so you see close position, so select close position. So you will see the lot size up here. So when you reduce it to the size you want, let's say I want 0.15, I want to close 0.15, so you see the amount down here. So, or let's say I want to close 0.18. so depending the quantity you want to close, all you have to do, type the lot size there and click close with profit, and that is it. Congratulations, you've learned how to take partial profits on your forex trades. Thank you, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, join our community for daily trade signals. Bye for now.